So how can you resize a photo on iPhone but without losing quality? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and you don't miss anything important. Well, if we use the built-in Photos app, we can get inside of an image like this, and if you click on the edit and crop, you can most definitely choose any of the aspect ratios, right? And kind of like resize the image and decide how it's supposed to look, but this definitely doesn't lower the quality. It only cuts out the top and bottom portion of the display, or however you decide to have it, right? So that's how you can kind of like resize the image but without losing quality. But if you don't mean this, if you don't mean cutting out parts of the photo, but instead just compressing images while still somewhat keeping the quality, then you can use an app which is called Compress Photos. I'm gonna link to it below in the description, right? So you can always check it out. And this is the app. I have found that it works okay for me. It's freely available. So you can open it up like this and select photos to compress. And if I pick this image, which is now 46 kilobytes, or let's say I'm gonna pick this one, which is 1.8 megabytes, right? I'm gonna click on the next, and I can essentially lower down the size from 1.6 to 374 kilobytes while keeping the quality best, right? So you are essentially just changing the resolution of the image. You have the sliders right there, so you can kind of like decide how the photo is going to look. If you don't want the quality to be there, you can slide it to the left and you can see that the quality is going to be worse. So using this app, I personally keep it to the best and also choose the resolution to be somewhat acceptable, but it will still lower down the size. So if I compress it like that, close the ad, you can see now we have an image which we lowered down in the size. So it's actually very useful in that sense because it lets me lower down the storage, right? So it's actually useful, and indeed it is the smaller image. So I hope that I was able to help you out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.